I'm Colleen Dobbs, and I am the program director and faculty instructor here for the echocardiography program. Echocardiography is essentially ultrasound of the cardiovascular system. So what we learn here in the program is how to produce ultrasound images of the cardiac system using sound waves. So that's how the ultrasound is working. Through the program, the students will learn how to find the images, how to work the equipment to be able to produce those images, and along the way obviously learn the pathology and the disease process that they would be evaluating during those images and during those procedures. All of that information is interpreted then by a cardiologist or radiologist, so it's really important for the students to have a really solid foundation and understanding of what that information is that they're giving to the provider so that they can make that information diagnostic and interpretable to help manage and treat disease in those patients. It's very heavy didactic and laboratory focused in the first year of the program. Students can spend a lot of time here in the lab. We have really small cohort of individuals that we have in the program, so the instructor to student ratio is really close. You get a lot of hands-on one-on-one time with the instructors. And then the second year of the program, you will be in the clinical setting. So we will have you out to the clinical sites 3 days a week to start with, and then 5 days a week by the end of your clinical experience, right before graduation, getting you ready not only to do the scanning component of the job, but to also develop employability skills and be ready to go as a safe beginner in the field right after graduation.